And a polite photo booth not only ups the fun factor of your event, it sends your brand home with consumers. Plus, our socially savvy friend view system helps consumers share your brand with a few hundred of their closest friends. Meanwhile, we're tracking all those page views, click-throughs, and of course, brand impressions. Now multiply that by the hundreds of people who politely paraded in front of the beauty bot, and you're looking at numbers nudging those of your last billboard campaign. Just ask any one of our hundreds of clients. If your event could use a ridiculously fun on-site experience that politely connects consumers to your online presence, look no further.